Hello, so this is the week commencing 18th of December analysis for Forex. So last week, obviously, we were on the hard time frame, we were a little bit confused. Normally that happens before big news is about to come, because that's when they will really set the direction, really get it going. There's going to be a displacement and things are going to be clear. That's what you saw last week. So we started off on Monday here, where we were like, well, it can go here, since it's closed above this daily inversion. So it can look to aim here. It's already taken this out. So this could be the next target with this big CB. So we weren't really sure. We also knew that it can also go down equally, so we were like kind of in the middle. Now we've got clarity with big news, FOMC, interest rate coming out, CPI, sorry, and then interest rate coming out. It's clear what it wants to do, really clear. Displacement happened, now you know where it's going. So, previous monthly low, weekly fair value gap, another weekly fair value gap, I guess. That's what you're looking at. So, those are the targets, okay? Just label that up. So it's very clear, it's risk on, dollar lower, everything else higher. So I'd be looking at my levels to act as resistance. So these are the 4 levels I'm looking at resistance. So these 2 dailies and the weekly here as the inversions. I definitely do not want to see price close above, these 2 especially, for it to be bearish. Now news-wise, we're calm. Monday, Tuesday's dead. Pretty much Monday's dead. Tuesday, you have just one piece of news, and that's not really a volatile event either. Again, Wednesday, not much. Thursday, you have some bunch of news coming out, and Friday, a lot of it coming out. So heavy towards the end of the week, you can see. Now coming on here, yours is obviously going to be higher looking at DXY. I'm liking this inversion, not inversion, but an old fair value gap we found support in. Body staying inside above order block. So this is the draw here. This fair value gap, this is your previous monthly high. Support wise, you do have the inversions here that we managed to kind of close outside of, but this fair value gap should hold up now, and the old weekly one is still there as well. So it can be a relatively easy week. What I would recommend is, if you have doubt, stay out like Monday. It looked easy, went in, then we got taken out, and it turned out to be a fake out basically here. And then obviously just reversed higher into the premium fair value gap. Things like this, just be calm, be patient, just leave it, don't force it. It's not the best market structure here either. So that's not quite surprising. I kind of a little bit expected it to happen. So avoid these, just stick to your high probability days where it's just easy, low resistance, and then just smash it, get your profit out, and just end the quarter positive. So, we don't need to risk a lot here. So yeah, it's quite straightforward really. Thank you. And for, for indices, let me just quickly go on that. Indice wise, before the end of the quarter or year, I guess now, I'll be very surprised if we don't get here previous monthly high. We're really, really close to the weekly high as well. Even if we're going to go lower, it would make sense at least to raid the previous weekly high. And then we may start looking for lower levels, such as this daily fair value gap, BISI, and this, and subsequent ones here. But counterparty is kept above here, and maybe even here if you get there. Thank you.